So here we have just another quick unboxing video, just so we can have a closer look. This is a set of side repeaters. This fits the Focus Mark 1 and also the Mondeo Mark 3. This is the triangular shaped side repeater. So this version is a crystal clear. So what you've got is a crystal clear lens. With a chrome background. So I'll just remove the protective film. These are fully road legal. They are also E-marked and MOT compliant. Again, these fit directly into the wing on the vehicle. They clip straight in. The bulb holder also twists in, and these also come with a set of amber bulbs.